So this is the tomato in the grow bag, growing away, and this one is Shirley F1, and I'm going to show you about the side shoots or suckers, as we want the main plant to grow one stem right up the middle here, right up, growing tall. So we want it quite tall, but if we leave these suckers on here, these suckers coming out of the main leaf branch, these are going to create a whole new leaf, a whole new branch, and we don't want them to create too many branches, just one upright and a few trusses. So these are known as suckers, and all we're going to do is just pinch it out, just like that. So that's going to stop the growth coming out the side, and as we can see, there's another one slightly higher up. Can we see that? And I'm just going to remove this one, just pinching it out, just like that. So this is our sucker or side shoot. We could just stick this in another pot and regrow it on, but we've got another one here and another one here. So once the tomatoes are in, it's a case of regularly coming down, taking off the side shoots, and now it's going to grow more upright. Another one there. There we go. That's called removing the side shoots. I think this might even be one here. Stick that one in a piece of compost, and that will regrow to a whole new tomato plant.